Hi, Assalamualaikum and very good day to all. So before I proceed to the video, I would like to give some introduction about the topics. So what we're going to learn today is about questions, three decisions. So to make it easier for us, you need to know how to use the information gains formula, and then you need to has the ability to draw the decision trees. So good luck, have fun. Okay, so let's proceed. So first of all, let's go to the questions. The data set in table 1 contains data about heart disease and its condition. The class label P means that heart disease is present, and the class label N that the disease is absent. Suppose that the data set is used as a training set. So calculate the information gain over the attribute blood pressure. So this small table is used to help us to do the calculation, because it's data that we obtain from the big table in the question. So to do the information gains, we need to apply this formula. So negative P, negative positive over positive plus negative log 2 and so on. So we calculate the H class using the formula by referring to the table, and we get 0.946 bits. And for the next step, we need to calculate the H class for blood pressure high. So we get 0 bits, and the normal blood pressure we get 0.918 bits. And after that, we calculate the total or H class of blood pressure by adding those two information and get 0.501 bits. And lastly, we calculate the information gain for blood pressure, H class minus by H class for blood pressure, and the answer is 0.445 bits. And that's all the answers for question 1A. Okay, next we move to the question 1B. Given the information gains over the other, describe this attribute as follow. As we can see here, for the 5 attribute given here, the most highest attribute is information gain of blood pressure by 0.445 bits. So the attribute blood pressure should be chosen as the root of the decision tree. So that's all for question 1B. Okay, let's move to the question 2. Given a training set in table 1, the partial decision tree in the figure below has been constructed with the ID tree algorithm. Complete the construction of the remaining part of the tree. So as you can see here, the three decisions are not complete, because the level 3 of blood sugar level is unfilled yet. So we must fill it. So based on the questions, we need to find the root of blood sugar level 3. And we made training set for attribute blood sugar level 3. The subset only contain the value attribute that has been seen by the blood sugar level 3. And from the training set, the process of calculating information gain on the remaining attribute is repeated. By using the same repeated process, we get for the body weight is 0.171 bits. And for the body height attribute, we get 0.42 bits, and lastly we get for the attribute habit is 0.971 bits. So based on our calculation, the habit attribute obtain the highest value of information gains, and habit attribute should be chosen for the attribute blood sugar level trait. And after we obtain habit as our root for blood sugar level 3, and the attribute of habit is smoker and non-smoker. So this is the complete set of the decision tree. And we go to the next question. Discuss what to do if two attributes have the same amount of information gain. So the algorithm will pick the attribute according to the alphabetical order which comes first in the dataset. In other contexts, it will be the attribute which comes first because it is how it will be coded. So let's move to the next question. Question 3. Use the decision tree construct in question 2 to classify the unseen class in table 2. So this is the okay. So from the decision tree construct in question 2, we must to fill the missing point in this class table. By referring to decision tree, the first person has high blood pressure, so the classes is P. The second one is normal blood pressure, the blood sugar level is 3, and is smoker, so the class is P. So the third one is has normal blood pressure and the blood sugar level is 1, so the class is P. The fourth person has a high blood pressure and blood sugar level 2, so the class is P. The last one is normal blood pressure, blood sugar level is 3, and a non-smoker, so the class is N, negative. So that's all for question number 3. So I hope all of you can understand a little bit about decision tree and about this assignment, and I will provide all of the question in the link description, and I will also provide my email if you guys have a question for my video. So thank you.